Hello, this is a quick video that's going to show you how to fill out a survey, a Kilo survey on the NRDS INA mobile app. A Kilo survey is essentially a customizable form that you can customize using the web application, and we have another video that shows you how to set up that, and it should be on this tutorial as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on the top left, and I'm going to log in. And that's usually the hardest part of this, is remembering your password. So I'm going to log in, and once you log in, the app is going to ask you to fetch data. So fetching data gets the data from the web app onto your mobile device, and it refreshes your forms. So this is really important to fetch your data before you go out, and that allows the app to work offline. So I'm going to click Fetch All, and since I don't have a ton of data on here, it might take about a minute to grab everything and put it on the app. So it's doing its thing. Give it a couple of seconds, and it tells me how much data it's fetched. So there's another video that can kind of show you how to navigate around this app, but essentially I'm going to click this second from the left button, this little circle. When I click it, it takes me to my current location. Now I'm going to fill in a Kilo form. What I do is, there's actually a few different ways to get there, but I'm going to click this plus on the bottom right, and I have a list of all my features. I'm going to click Community Kilo Survey, or I can pick Weather Observations, and I click the plus to start my survey. Select the date, pick my observers, the weather, any notes, and I can take photos. I can add a few different photos. And once I save, you'll see that it's uploading the data to the server. Now you may ask, wait, what if I have no service? Well, if you have no service, you can come back here to this menu, and you can switch the app offline. Now all the data will remain locally on the device until you get to where you have reception. So I'm going to click to add Kilo. Let's say I want to look up something and I want to edit it. I can click this Kilo button, click Weather Observations, and I have a list of all my surveys that I've done. If I wanted to add a new one, I'm offline. Same kind of thing. I can also click on this, select the type of survey, click the plus, and I can add a new survey. And take a picture. Now once I save, you'll see that now it's red on this list. It's also, there's a 1 on my top left-hand corner. Once I get to where I have reception, I can click this button on the top right, and it tells me that, oh, I want to sync my data, but I have to switch online. So I come to my menu, and I switch to online, and I can select Push Now. And that takes my data off the device and puts it on the web. So the next time I go out in the field, I'm going to want to go and I'm going to want to fetch data again. And fetching data will update the data on my device. So let's say I made a change to my survey, or I added something to my custom lists, or I added a new person to my contacts, and I want it to be reflected on my mobile app. I need to fetch the data, because the way it's configured now, data doesn't automatically go to the mobile app. You have to grab it or fetch it. So that's a quick video of our Kilo app. Please let us know if you have any questions.